I know England is cold, but this is ridiculous. Their manager and ballroom clued us in. Turned out Phil was blowing the strings from across the ocean. He'd sent a telegram stating, no talking to Ronettes, but there will be dire consequences. Phil's not here, I told him, so you better start talking to me again. I figured he was possessive. I would go to bed in England and sleep with the phone next to my ear all night. So when I woke up in the morning, the first thing I heard was his voice saying, "Good morning, Veronica." But I hadn't realized how much he craved the limelight too. The studio work, the huge hits, the money. It wasn't enough.